In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the desktop app for Microsoft Teams. Many of us primarily access Microsoft Teams through our web browser, which is perfectly functional for quick chats and meetings. However, installing the dedicated desktop application offers a more integrated and often smoother experience, providing better performance, consistent notifications, and deeper integration with your operating system. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to download and install this essential tool. To begin, you'll first need to navigate to the web version of Microsoft Teams in your browser. Once you're on the main screen of the web application, look towards the top right-hand corner of your browser window. You should spot a set of 3 horizontal dots. This icon is a universal symbol for a menu or more options, and it's where we'll find the link to download the desktop application. Take a moment to locate these 3 dots and then proceed to click on them. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with several choices. After clicking the 3-dotted menu, a list of options will appear. Among these, you'll want to locate and click on the option labeled Get the Desktop App. This is your gateway to downloading the dedicated application onto your computer. Clicking this link will typically initiate an automatic download of the Microsoft Teams installer file. Depending on your browser settings, you might see a prompt asking you where to save the file, or it might automatically download into your default Downloads folder. Pay attention to any on-screen messages from your browser to ensure you know where the file is being saved. Once the installer file has finished downloading, the final step is to begin the installation process. You'll need to navigate to where the file was saved on your computer, which, as mentioned, is usually your Downloads folder. Look for a file named something like Teams/Windows x64.exe or similar, depending on your operating system. Double-click this executable file to launch the installation wizard. The installation process itself is usually straightforward. You might be prompted to grant permission for the application to make changes to your device, which you should confirm. Then, simply follow the on-screen instructions. The installer will guide you through any necessary steps, such as agreeing to the terms and conditions or choosing an installation location, though often, it will simply install in the default recommended spot without much input needed from you.